B2B sales is more complex than ever, as the average decision-making group has increased to over 11 people. To thrive in this environment, top performers use a deep sales approach, having high-quality conversations with the people that matter. Tracking people and relationships is critical for consistency and relationship building. But getting account mapping right is easier said than done. Many organizations have no standardized process, creating inconsistency and confusion. To help, Sales Navigator is introducing Relationship Map. Relationship Map is a chart built by reps to help them keep track of deal decision makers. Account teams can stay on top of their buyer circle by seeing highlights across leads, such as recent LinkedIn posts, leading to more multi-threading opportunities. Also, Relationship Map alerts sellers to find a replacement whenever a lead leaves an account to avoid putting a deal at risk. Customers with CRM Sync enabled can leverage bulk CRM actions to sync all out-of-date contact data for every lead in their maps with just a few clicks. Selling is a team sport, so relationship maps are easily shareable, enabling collaboration while ensuring maps survive account transfers. With Relationship Map, your organization can develop a consistent process for account mapping that's backed by LinkedIn's unique first-party data and built to help you grow your influence to drive deals home. To learn more about Relationship Map and Sales Navigator, visit LinkedIn Sales Solutions.